Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the seat in a Ford Ecosport. First, find the adjustment lever or knob located under the front edge of your seat. This control allows you to move the seat forward or backward. Simply pull the lever up, slide the seat to your preferred distance from the pedals, and then release the lever. Ensure the seat locks firmly into position before you begin driving for optimal safety and comfort. Next, let's adjust the seat back recline. Look for the recline lever, typically found on the outer side of the seat, close to the door. Pull this lever upwards to unlock the seat back. You can then lean back or forward to find the perfect angle for your comfort and posture. Once you've found your ideal recline, simply release the lever to lock the seat back securely in place. This ensures a comfortable and supportive driving position. For many Ford Ecosport models, you can also adjust the seat height. Find the pump-style lever on the side of the seat, usually on the same side as the recline lever. To raise the seat, pump the lever upwards repeatedly. To lower it, push the lever down while applying a little weight to the seat. Adjust the height until you have a clear and comfortable view of the road and dashboard instruments, enhancing your driving confidence. Finally, some Ford Ecosport seats offer adjustable lumbar support. If your vehicle has this feature, you'll find a rotary knob on the side of the seat. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the lumbar support or counterclockwise to decrease it, finding the perfect amount of lower back comfort. Always make all seat adjustments while the vehicle is stationary to ensure your safety and maintain full control while driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.